My final project review for FlatIron. So this project was created using two technologies called React and Redux, which are both based off, or were birthed from the JavaScript programming language. Anyway, I'm going to fire my app up here. It's called Brew Lister. The concept of Brew Lister is the ability to add breweries and load breweries. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and get started here with adding a brewery. So one of the things I'm going to have to do, however, is we'll have to look up some information for a brewery. That's okay, no problem. So we'll just Sweetwater is a popular brewery in Atlanta, I should say that. So to do this, I'm going to click on here. I want to get a little bit of their information as well as a photo. We'll see our story. Perfect. Okay. So we'll just use this right here. All right. We'll click back over here. Brewery name, Sweetwater Brewing Company. We'll just do code. Location, Atlanta, Georgia. Description. So I'm going to say, actually, I'm going to post this in here, but I'm going to format this a little bit. Here we go. Has been making tasty beer. All right, great, great. Now I want to get a quick photo, and I know this is not necessarily these steps here are pertaining to my application, but I still wanted to do this so that everyone could sort of see my process for how I've been doing this. Let's see. That is that's a pretty cool image. Let's see if they got anything better. This has been a really fun part for me doing this project, finding cool images to use. It's a little redundant. Let's see. Oh, this is so nice. Here we go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, I'm going to right click. I'm going to say copy image address. We're going to go back over to my application. So I don't have the ability to upload images as of yet, but I do have the ability where you can post the URL to the image. And so I'm going to click and say add brewery. I'm going to click home and look at that, Sweetwater Brewing Company. Nice. So this, I see. Let's cut this off here. This is really just a formatting error. Not really meant to be a very technical overview here, but I can actually fix that, I think. I'm just gonna say Sweetwater and take off Brewing Company. That's the issue and why the element is pushing things down. In additional versions, I'll have it where it won't actually push the text down. And I'm going to move this off of our video. But yeah, so while that's loading, other cool features of it are you can click on it and load up a single page. It has the ID, Southern Growl. It's got the picture, location, Grove, South Carolina, description, a warm and friendly place to grab a cold craft beer. We click home again, Highland Brewing Company, again, the name, nice picture, location Asheville, the description. At the top I have a nav bar, that's a component, and at the bottom I have a footer, that's also a separate component. And that's the cool thing about the way that these applications are built, is they're built using individual components. Again, I'm not supposed to get very technical, so I won't. So anyway, I'm going to actually quickly fix this. Okay. And I'm going to set this to be Sweetwater. My data is being pulled from an API, so what I'm actually doing is I'm connecting to that API server, and I'm just updating that. Alright, so now that that's done, if we refresh, it should look good. Yeah, there we go. Sweetwater, located in Atlanta, Georgia. Sweetwater has been making tasty brews in the heart of the South since 19... If we click it, we can read the full description. Has been making tasty brews in the heart of the South since 1997. What started as a pipe dream of two college buddies has turned into a dream job full of great adventures. So that's really the gist of my application. While it may seem short and it may not seem very complicated, it's actually very scalable. There are actually multiple technologies that went into making this happen. It's probably represented based on, if I had to guess, maybe 25, 30 files, not including actual like library files. I won't go into that again, as it's not supposed to be technical, but just from a programmatic stance, it is, however, a lot of different files, and it does have a lot of growth ability and things like that, and it's just a very scalable app. Anyway, that's going to conclude my video walkthrough. I appreciate